Hey y'all, what's up there? This is the Blind Bearded Chef Zeke. That's me. That is me. Let's do something with some sweet potatoes today. Let's make a sweet potato cookie. So I'm gonna make this sweet potato cookie, but I'm gonna make it like a sweet potato pie. So the bottom of the cookie is gonna be a sweet dough crust, and the top part of the cookie is going to be a sweet potato cookie. So I'm gonna put it together and try to make them look like little miniature sweet potato pies, but they're gonna be cookies. All right, let's get the ingredients together. Okay, here go my sweet potatoes. I got my sweet potatoes all cut up. This is about 6 medium to large size sweet potatoes. So I'm about to put them on the stove and let them boil until they get tender, and I'll be right back. Okay, there go potatoes. Let's put the water in there. Till they covered. All right. Put the top on it and let's go let them boil. I took the sweet potatoes off the stove and I drained the water off of them. After you drain the water off of your potatoes, whether they're sweet potatoes or white potatoes, put them back on the stove for about 3 to 5 minutes on a medium heat, and you'll get the rest of that water out of your potatoes. Now, just take your fork, smash it up, and this is how you make your sweet potato puree, or you say mashed potatoes, mashed sweet potatoes. You're gonna need a cup of this for our sweet potato biscuits and for our sweet potato pie cookies. All right, there go our pureed sweet potatoes. Now let's let them cool off. Get our dry ingredients ready for our sweet potato pie cookies. In this bowl right here is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm putting in a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Okay. Let's put some spices up in here. All right. I'm putting in a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Everything that you will put in a sweet potato pie. Okay. I'm putting in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Come on, cinnamon. Okay, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now let me find my half a teaspoon again. Right here. Okay, half a teaspoon of cloves. You can tell this is a fall cookie, huh? Autumn. All your warm spices. How do I know what's what, y'all? Because I can smell them. What this is here. Half a teaspoon of allspice. And 1 more. Ginger. Half a teaspoon of ginger. And there go all our warm spices that you would put in your sweet potato pie too if you was making a sweet potato pie. Now, let's combine all this dry together. In my mixing bowl, I got 1 stick of softened butter, which is a half a cup. Right here, I have 3/4 cups of granulated white sugar, and I have 3/4 cups of brown sugar. Okay, and let's get my mixer. Let's cream this up right quick so it looks like wet sand. All right, after that's mixed up, we're gonna add 1 large egg and about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. There we go. Now, let's mix. All right, after that's mixed up, add 1 cup of your mashed sweet potatoes, or your pureed sweet potatoes. Let's mix this up until everything dissolves. All right, let's add in those dry ingredients. You can just put it all in there. I said 2 cups of flour. I hope I don't need another. I'll let y'all know. I might need more than 2 cups of flour. Put this on, let's put this on low speed. See if I need any more flour. All right, y'all. I don't like this consistency right here, so I'm gonna put another 1/2 cup of flour. So make that 2.5 cups of flour. Okay. This dough gotta go chilled in the refrigerator anyway for a couple of hours, so. Yeah, let's do 2.5 cups of flour instead of 2. Change this texture right quick. All right, there go the cookie dough. See, it's a wet cookie dough. So I'm about to take it and put it in the refrigerator for about an hour or 2 so it can firm up. Okay. All right, right here I have my sweet dough. This is some sweet dough that I had made already. I'm gonna roll it out to about 1/4 of an inch. If you want to know how to make this sweet dough, go to my video entitled Sweet Potato Pie Made with Sweet Dough, and I'll try to link it in the description. So I'm just gonna roll this out. I got my biscuit cutter. I want 12 circles. All right, here go my biscuit cutter. Get your largest one. I think that's 3 inches. I think that's 3 inches biscuit cutter. And cut your circle. You can twist these because this is not a biscuit. See, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna cut out 12 of these because I'm gonna put 12 on the tray. And this is gonna be the bottom of our sweet potato pie cookie. See that? All right, be right back. All right, here go my cookie sheet. I got the big one out. And we're gonna place the bottom of the cookie. We're gonna do 3 to a row this way. Okay. Be right back. Okay, there go our cookie dough batter. You see I had it in the refrigerator, so it's good and firm now. So you want to put about a teaspoon. This much, right? Because these cookies are going to puff up a little bit. So we're going to put about this much right here. See right there? We're going to put that much right there on top of each one. So I'm just going to flatten it out a little bit. It's still kind of sticky. And I just put it on this. We're going to put it right here on the middle. All right. I'm going to put them in the oven for 15 minutes, 350 degrees. All right. All right, there we go. So they're going to go in the oven for 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. And you see, I've taken the biscuit cutter and cut the sweet dough for the bottom part, and that's the cookie rolled up, about a teaspoon of cookie dough on top. All right, be right back. See y'all in 15 minutes. All right, at the 10-minute mark, y'all, 10-minute mark or the 15-minute mark, put your whole pecan on top of the cookie. Just like that. Okay, so then put a pecan half on each one, and I'll be back. All right, there go our sweet potato pie cookies with the pecan half on top. Gonna let it cool off, and I am about to taste it for y'all. I know they're gonna be good. All right, y'all, be right back. All right, there go our sweet potato pie cookie, then cool down. Man, I tell you, everything I fix is good, but I'm always missing milk because I don't keep milk on my refrigerator. But y'all, this is a good cookie. Y'all see the bottom part is the sweet dough, or you can make a tea cake dough for the bottom. The top is your sweet potatoes. Y'all seen the blind bearded chef make it? Go make y'all some. It's fall season. Bye, y'all.